Hello, welcome to 2.2 day 2. Today we're going to be writing in scientific notation into standard form. First we're going to use the exponent to identify the number of places to move the decimal. Then when the exponent is positive, we're going to move the decimal to make a number bigger than 1. Then rewrite the new number and put zeros when needed. So let's see what I'm talking about. Scientific notation is our vocab. Okay, so first I'm going to rewrite the 7.2, and then I'm going to look at the exponent to tell me how many times to move. This is a positive exponent, so I'm going to make this number big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. New decimal, and fill in with zeros. Now, this decimal is now gone. Students keep typing this decimal into calculators. That decimal is gone. Erase it, because now you moved it to the end. So now this number is 7,200,000,000. Really big number. And that's it. Again, here we got 9.1 times 10 to the third. So how many times am I going to move it? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. New decimal, fill in with zeros. New other decimal is gone. So now it's 9,100. Final answer. Let's do one more. We got 6.41, and we're going to move it how many times? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So positive exponents mean big numbers. Soon you're going to have negative exponents, and those are going to be little numbers. So big positive exponent, you're going to move to the right and make a big number. So this is 641,000. Huge number. Last one, we got 3.14. I'm going to move it how many times? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add zeros. Just because there's a 4 here, that does not mean we add 4 zeros. How many zeros did I add? 2. Because these two, well, the 1 and 4 took up 2 of my spots, so I only had to add 2 zeros. So however many numbers you have behind the decimal, you can subtract from the exponent, and that's how many zeros you can add. So this one we had to subtract 2 and add 3 zeros. This one we had to subtract 1 and added 2 zeros because we had to move 1, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, so we added 2 zeros. All right, let me know if you have any questions.